Hey, great to see you here. Let us talk about something that actually changes how your day feels on the road. The X-Hunter. You're the kind of person who notices when a ride feels slow, when climbs feel like chores, when every mile reminds you that your current bike is just getting by. You don't settle for average. You crave freedom, power, and range that doesn't limit where you go or how fast you get there. Before we go deeper, check the current price and stock because opportunities like this move fast and hesitation is exactly how good upgrades slip into maybe later territory. You knew it was time the last route home felt longer than it should be, or the wind beat you up on every stretch. Maybe you passed a hill and thought, I shouldn't be working this hard. That moment of quiet frustration that S when you realize you've outgrown compromise. Once the X-Hunter is in your life, that old tension just dissolves. You stop pushing and start riding with intent. The acceleration feels alive, smooth at low speeds, powerful when you call for it. Hills don't make you reconsider your route anymore. With that peak motor power and high top speed, you move with confidence instead of negotiating every incline. Imagine rolling through town with a grin because your bike doesn't just keep up it leads. Picture weekend rides that stretch way farther than you expected because you know the battery has more in reserve. Think about that rush of clean power when you hit 30 miles an hour and feel the road open up beneath you. Even traffic feels less stressful when your ride holds speed without flinching. And here's the thing, once you experience that level of performance, anything weaker starts to feel like a step backward. Every time you scroll past something smaller or slower, you catch yourself remembering the smooth takeoffs, the effortless climbs, the way it feels like it's working with you instead of against you. That S loss aversion talking, you already know what you give up, and it doesn't feel worth it. Don't wait for stock dips or weird price jumps to make this decision harder. The regret of delaying a clear upgrade is real and exactly what you avoid by acting now. You might ask if a full suspension and wide tires really matter day to day. In real use, they absolutely do. The surprise benefit is how comfortable longer rides become even on rough paths. It's not just speed and power, it's control and calm. You feel steady, stable, and ready for whatever the route throws at you. Owning something built at this level changes how your ride feels from the first pedal. You walk out the door feeling capable. You pull up to places with confidence instead of apology. You ride like someone who knows quality when they experience it. Power that feels effortless, climbs that no longer intimidate, range that stretches your adventures, comfort that makes long rides fun. You ride with confidence, not compromise. It is heavier than basic e-bikes. High speed encourages faster riding. At some point you stop comparing specs and just choose the bike you already wanted. Don't let this be the upgrade you think about months later with a bit of regret. Check the price, trust your instinct, and step into rides that feel powerful, free, and intentional every time you head out.